Okay. Okay, anyone will give the mock test today? Anyone? Anyone will give the mock test today? Vinay, Aruna, Kotesarao, anyone? Anyone will give mock test? Okay, if not, I will continue my classes. See guys, new asset accounting. So features in new asset accounting. So today we'll discuss technical clearing account. Yesterday we discussed some areas, right? I will share you one document. Technical clearing accounts. Very important. Let me share this document. Okay, so this is very important. Technical clearing account. Okay, one of the interview question in SAP S4HANA. Okay.
I'm not well prepared, but I can try to give my best.
Okay, when you will give?
Today?
Today?
Yeah.
Have you prepared well?
Not well, but I
Okay, so take 1 day time tomorrow and Monday you just do the mock test. Prepare well. Okay.
Same is a real-time purpose?
Yeah. So
Because the client
prepare
details.
no, not required. Just I will ask, just like tell about your introduction and your roles and responsibilities. That's it. After that, you start your presentation. I will ask you some questions. We can start. Just watch out the mock test. Okay, I shared you, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, same way.
Okay.
So on Monday you should ready. Okay.
Sure, sir. I will.
Technical clearing account, very important. See guys, you know, asset posting logic has been changed. So earlier we should just use F-90 T code, F-90 T code for asset posting. Now this has been replaced. So F-90, what is the T code? No, what is the T code for asset procurement? Vendor, asset account to vendor, right? Now the entry is different comparing the ECC to S4HANA. So once you post any transaction through F-90, a technical clearing account will hit. For example, in new asset accounting, you have two accounting principles. One is US GAAP. Okay, one is US GAAP, and it's a leading ledger, OL. And local Indian GAAP. There are two ledgers, two accounting principles are maintaining by client. One is the US GAAP, and the leading ledger is OL. And the second one is Indian GAAP for non-leading ledger, NL. Okay. So operational part means once you procured F-90. Okay, once you procured any asset F-90, what is the entry? What is the entry? So technical clearing account data are to vendor account. This is the entry. Okay, this is the entry. So technical clearing account will hit. Okay, so and it is posted in two ledgers, OL and NL. So this is called as the operational part. We have two types of part will be there. One is operational part and second one is valuation part. In the operational part, so both ledgers means OL and NL. OL is the leading ledger, NL is the non-leading ledger gap, Indian gap. So this account will, this kind of transaction will hit at the time of operational part. And we have one more part is there, valuation part. In the valuation part, what happens? System will evaluate the two transactions for ledger wise. For OL, so you will see this entry. For NL, you will see this entry. So here ledger wise transaction we will see. Okay. Here total in two ledgers the same one transaction. Here each ledger what is the transaction? That is called as a technical clearing account. This is the posting logic has been changed. This is operational part and valuation part. In operational part you will see this entry. In valuation part you will see this entry. So accounting document. So it's S4HANA, right? Say welcome. See. So here, if you go to FS00, SC16 and LF EA1. Okay, remove this 500, execute. Sorry, SKU. So select this. Just to take technical clearing account. These are all technical clearing accounts. Okay. You take these technical clearing accounts and go to SDLPN and what kind of transactions are posted with this. Okay. Weird version is not. Okay. I will take recent one. AC token. Document I'm taking AB. So these are all document numbers. On 030. So here this is the transaction. So this is called as the operational view. In operational view, so it will be stored in the both ledgers, leading and non-leading ledgers. But in valuation, see we have one more option is the asset accounting. Once you click on this, you will see it's ledger-wise transaction. Ledger-wise transaction. So this is called as a technical clear account. So your posting logic has been changed. Okay, your posting logic has been changed. Gap something. Your posting logic has been changed in F-90. So your asset posting should be like this. So technical clearing account fixed asset debit to vendor account, and asset acquisition debit to technical clearing account. And this is the new concept, valuation part. This is operational part. Okay. So regarding technical clearing account, so new asset accounting, technical clearing account is very important. Technical clearing account is extended for integrated asset acquisitions. Generally, technical clearing account will hit at the time of acquisition time. Okay, depend upon the client business requirement, we can define more than one technical clearing account. Either it can be defined as chart of account or it can be configured combination of chart of account and account determination. Technical clearing account is a reconciliation GL account. Okay, so we need to define this is a reconciliation. Manual posting cannot be done through technical clearing account. Okay, so these entries you need to tell to the interviewer. So operational part and valuation part. Operational part, so both the transaction will be stored in the both ledgers. Valuation part, so we can segregate ledger wise. That is the difference. That is called a technical clearing account. Okay. So technical clearing account is part of configuration. Okay, so valuation approach, ledger approach, posting divided into operational view and valuation part. This is the concept. Okay, very important. So these are all new things. The new BAP is added in asset accounting. These are all BAPs. These are technical aspects not required for the operational view and valuation view. Entries. Okay, just noise one. So we have for legacy upload through generally F-91 asset master data and asset balance are uploading. So in SAP S4HANA, so migration of legacy data you want to upload, so we use this T code. And OASV transaction code using update asset balance by GL wise. So this is the T code. This T code has been replaced in S4HANA. LSMW will not work out. LSMW is nothing. So these T codes are not working in S4HANA. Legacy upload system LSMW will not work. Will not work means so not recommendable. Transaction, see here clearly mentioned earlier. So earlier we for uploading master data we generally use AS91. AS91 is the T code for the legacy. Here the AS91 may not work, I think. See, this is a creation legacy data. If you want to create a legacy master asset master data, the system is saying AS91. Earlier, migration of legacy data upload process through AS91 asset master data and asset balances are uploading. This results to balance update in asset table. Okay. So OASV transaction code using update of asset balance with GL1s. Document type is manual input. This leads to mismatching between GL and asset balances. The legacy upload through LSMW, so BAPI or any one method should be used. This is the earlier concept. For new asset accounting, asset master data will be created using AS90 transaction code and OASV transaction code using asset balances GL wise. But this is the replaced. Transaction will be uploaded to ABLDT. Okay. This result asset and GL initial balance upload document type is part of configuration. So this lead to mismatch of GL and asset balances because of this. Okay. But in new asset accounting, you will see. So in new asset accounting, this T code transaction balance will upload this ABLDT. Legacy data during the financial year upload through AB01. So AUC work in progress will upload to ABLDT underscore 1. So someone yesterday asked this question. So how to upload master data? So here migration of this is the legacy data upload process. This is the legacy data upload process. Sorry. So you want to upload the legacy master data by using this AS91 and OASV transaction code update the asset balances by GL wise. OASV. So OASV. See, this T code is not working in S4HANA platform. This is only ECC point of view has been given. Okay. So asset master, legacy asset should be created AS91. AS91, so we can create the legacy assets. The company code is not this. So I don't have any data. See, we can create a legacy asset by using AS91. Then this T code is using update asset balances. Okay, GL wise. This lead to mismatching in ABST2. We need to execute finally. This is the reconciliation issues will happen. Okay, now so and also legacy upload through LSMW. Either you can use these two methods. Okay, but in SAP S4HANA, asset master data will be created AS91 and transaction balance will upload through ABLTT. This results GL initial balance upload. Document type is part of configuration. Legacy data during FI will be upload through AB01. The T codes have been changed. Okay. So this is the T code earlier used. This is because of mismatching GL reconciliation will be happen. Now this T code is replaced. Okay, see LSMW is not recommendable in S4HANA, but for some cases you can use it will work out, but it is not recommendable. Okay, so this is the migration of legacy data upload process in S4HANA system. Very, very important. Okay. At least if you tell two, 3 points, like in the earlier reconciliation issues will be happen because of legacy data. Upload GL mismatching. ABST2 it has been replaced. And we tell this at least 3 points. Okay. So AUC will be uploaded through AUC balances, work in progress balance, only ABLTT. No way. By line item wise. Any wrong transaction is posted, you must reverse the journal entry. And ABST2 has been deleted. Legacy upload LSMW by using BAPI. So legacy transfers using AS100 still available. Okay. So, which case we will reverse the asset balances? In which case we will reverse the asset balance? Anyone tell me? I want to reverse the asset balances. In which case? In which case we will reverse the asset balance? Anyone?
Maybe in case of retirement,
Hmm?
retirement, case of asset retirement, will reverse the balance or asset.
See, if asset class is asset created itself wrong. If asset created itself wrong, then we can reverse the asset values. Creation itself, asset class creation, asset class is wrong. Then we can reverse it. For reversal, what is the T code general use? Asset creation itself wrong, then we can reverse the what is the T code? AB08. AB08. Shall I post unplanned depression manually? Shall I post unplanned depression manually? Anyone? What is the T code? ABA. So you can post unplanned depression manually. And ABMA is we can clone depression. Okay, this is a option. ABAA, we can post unplanned depression manually. You take your company code. Okay, and so amount you can give manually. Press you will post, but so this asset value date is asking different one. Asset transaction posted. So this is unplanned depression. We can give manually. Okay, we can give manually. unplanned depreciation, old assets. Okay, and ABMA is manual depreciation function. You want to give the manual depreciation. You want to give post manually. Okay, here what system says. Okay, so here depreciation key not allowed. If in asset master depreciation key is there, we cannot post it manually. This is not possible in one combination because depreciation key which is used to forecast depreciation. So here depreciation key does not automatically forecast depreciation. If forecast depreciation is there, we can do it manually. So this is the way. Okay. So I will share you one document video to you today. Unplanned depreciation you can do by using LSMW. I have thousands of assets. You tell this scenario to the interviewer in asset accounting. I have 1,000 assets. Okay, and I want to post unplanned depreciation manually. Okay, I need to give some amount. In AFEAB system will calculate, but so unplanned depreciation manually means we need to give them some amount to each asset. Okay, it's manually, but not calculated automatically. So that case, how we can do this through LSMW. So please look at this scenario. This scenario is very, very important. So how many people know about smoothing and catch-up method? Okay, so take this example. Just read this 2 minutes, then tell me what is the solution for this. Read this and tell me what is the solution. How you will resolve this issue. Tell me.
The depreciation double calculated.
Tell me.
అండ్ యూజ్ఫుల్ లైఫ్ వచ్చేసి 10 years అయితే అది 5 years కి రెడ్యూస్ అయిపోయింది.
A method follow here. Which method they follow?
స్మూత్ సార్ స్మూత్.
Straight line method. Straight line method calculation. See, asset acquired $12,000. Useful life is 10 years. Straight line method, cost minus salvage value by number of years. Salvage value is 0. Then this is the amount. Okay. And this is every year we will calculate this amount. But per month, this is the amount. By 12, you see, this is the amount. But what happened? So client was posted up to 6 months, the same way. After some days, they come to know that No, it is not 10 years, it's 5 years only. Okay, but you posted already up to 6 months with 100 per month every month. For revised it is 200. Actually you need to post 200 but not 100. Okay, how you can correct the previous periods? You posted already 6 months. Okay, and now you want to correct it. We have two options. One is smoothing method and second one is catch-up method. In smoothing method, if you opt, so we can open the periods of this 6 months periods we need to open first, and we will use repeat option. AFAB repeat option. Okay, so you'll use the repeat option. By using repeat option, we can do this. And see, useful life depreciation key, you need to change the 10 years to 5 years. Okay, then we need to use repeat option. We need to open the periods first. Then, so if you opt smoothing method, the 600. So difference between this and this 600 total. Okay, 600. This 600 should be adjusted in the next later periods. Okay, this 600 should be adjusted in later period. But in case of catch up, okay, so only 7th period should be adjusted. So either company follow catch up method or any smoothing method. So if you opt catch up method, the difference amount will be adjusted in only 7th period. But if you follow the smoothing method, so it will be adjusted equally adjusted in the next months. That is the smoothing and catch up method concept. So this is only useful life concept. For example, client is using straight line method 10% first. Later 6 months he come to know that it is 15%. So here also we will use catch up and smoothing method. You want to adjust anything, then this method is preferred. Okay, read this. So where we need to activate? We need to activate in OAYR. Okay, smoothing or catch up we can activate here only. What my point? So maximum, so you will see this kind of interview questions on the depression, particular. Smoothing and catch up method. How to correct? Planned, unplanned, repeat, restart. What is the purpose of this? Interview will ask this question. I shared you on real-time scenario. If you are talking about so asset related, so you will explain this real-time scenario. Then there may be chances to get set. Yesterday, so Swarna Kumar asked about legacy data migration process. This is legacy data in S4HANA and ECC. If you tell at least the P codes, then it will work out. Okay. Okay, thank you. We'll get back Monday.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.